Bye. Mwah.
We want a lot of snaky snakes.
Mwah. Aww. Te amo. Bendición. And we're officially off. Another time. Leave Orlando. Bye bye, Orlando. We're gonna get so lost. We're gonna be like Orlando. We're going to Everglades, y'all. We're gonna be hunting pythons. I'll let it. Anything? That's majestic. Like, yeah.
Oh yeah, I think I got it. I'm sure I did. I got
Like
it.
just another deer. No, it's not just another deer. You're looking at the picture.
Just another deer.
Siempre como que tan fresh. Running with the bulls. We're running with the bulls.
Mira que él se volvió alegre.
Running, we look at the judgmental. That's Tanya right there. Like, I am not impressed.
Ahora yo no vi en cabrón acá. So what are you doing?
Fucking bugs. I'm trying to get off all of these bugs crawling all over.
You look crazy. Se Albin a limpiar. Alright, so estamos en Big Cypress
Limboa.
y vamos a ir a Casando. Y nos vamos por aquí. Albin dice que dar 2 o 3 pasitos.
Yes. If you are walking with a biologist in your hand.
Yeah, that gives me lost every time. Mama!
Bob!
Pipe it!
This is the, right here, this is their habitat.
Sí.
See, something's coming in and out of there.
Yeah.
Probably. They made it through North Carolina. They were found in Arizona. He just kept saying, it's not like we can get anywhere.
There's no way we can get lost here.
It's a big park, that's all. I thought I saw a sign for test and see. I'll get in the water, I mean, there's no other way.
For what?
We see one. We see one right here right now.
No. That's too danger. I mean, obviously things travel.
The canal,
¿En serio? ¿En dónde? Ah, sí. Fíjate que no, es la avispa esa. Es pero estate quieto, cabrón. Albin, ama tranquilo. Por favor. Ya. Es una Charlie horse de esa.
Es una horsefly.
Sí. That's
sure?
it. Yeah. Oh, positive. I saw it on your face.
I'm allergic to bees.
No, you're not. ¿Qué será, cabrón?
¿No te acuerdas que se me hincha el brazo así bien exagerado?
That's normal reaction.
Show him how you back that thing up, girl. She is, you guessed that, cursing and complaining. You were scratching last night for no reason.
¿Sí?
Yeah.
I mean, for no reason, no, because I was itchy. Te dije que siento picadera todavía.
I think somebody had an encounter with an alien life form and it's forever changed. You are, look, she just scratched, you saw that? That's the sign. She's no longer, the alien ate her brain and now is controlling it. But she doesn't know she's no longer her, as the alien knows how to mimic the personality. But there are little traits. They scratch right behind the ear. They do a 1, 2, 3 scratch. You gotta look out for that. And a slap. And then they talk about little creatures in their heads. Be aware. Be aware of the border.
Bueno, aquí estamos en Thousand Island Trail.
This is where they make the dressing, y'all.
Sigue por ahí para arriba.